CM Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu today chaired the review meeting of Himachal Pradesh State Milk Producers Federation. CM Sukhu directed the officials to complete all the processes related to the construction of Dhagwar milk plant and its construction in a time-bound manner. This will give a big boost to the economy of the region. CM Sukhu said that the capacity of milk plants Kullu, Hamirpur, Nahan and milk plant Una should be increased to 20,000 litres. Agriculture Minister Professor Chandra Kumar said the registration of committees is absolutely necessary to strengthen milk activities. This will empower the farmers. Governor Shiv Pratap Shukla and CM Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu have congratulated the people of the state, especially the Muslim community, on Bakrid Eid. In his message, the governor congratulated all the Muslim brothers and sisters and wished them a happy and prosperous life. CM Sukhu said that this festival, a symbol of the spirit of supreme sacrifice, gives the message of peace, compassion and unity to the society. He called upon the people of the state to work together for the progress and prosperity of the state. Deputy Chief Minister Mukesh Agnihotri said that the Himachal government will invest Rs 1,000 crore in the ambitious bulk drug park project to be built in Haroli Assembly constituency of Una district. The total cost of the project will be borne by the state and central government in a 50-50% share. The Himachal government will also look after the operation of the project. The Deputy Chief Minister gave this information in a public meeting at Badhera in Una district on Sunday. He said that soon the foundation stone of the administrative block of this project will be laid in Panjwana of Haroli. Earlier, Deputy Chief Minister Mukesh Agnihotri inaugurated a 40-bed multi-speciality Ayurvedic hospital at Himcaps Nursing College in Bandhera. On this occasion, newly elected MLA of Kutleher Vivek Sharma was also with him.
मुझे ये बताते हुए बहुत हर्ष हो रहा है कि अगर कोई फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट है जो जिला बहुत तेजी से प्रगति के पथ पे जा रहा है, तो सारे प्रदेश में अगर आप देखेंगे तो सबसे अगर तेज गति से कहीं पे विकास हो रहा है या जिस जिले में लोग इन्वेस्ट करना चाह रहे हैं वो जिला ऊना है। और अभी हमने परसों ही जो यहाँ पे ड्रग पार्क बनना है उसके बारे में एक बहुत ही निर्णायक फैसला लिया। ड्रग पार्क में हमने प्राइवेट पार्टनर को हटा दिया और सरकार की तरफ से 1,000 करोड़ रुपए का पूंजी निवेश करने का फैसला किया। सरकार अब कोई लाला कोई भी बाबू उसमें इन्वॉल्व नहीं होगा। सारा निवेश जो है वो सरकार का होगा। 50% राशि केंद्र लगाएगी, 50% हम देंगे। मैचिंग ग्रांट पूरा हमने देने का फैसला किया है और प्रोजेक्ट इम्प्लीमेंटिंग अथॉरिटी जो है वो अब हिमाचल प्रदेश सरकार होगी और हम एक हफ्ते के अंदर या 10 दिन के अंदर उसका पत्थर रखेंगे यहाँ पे जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ब्लॉक बन रहा है पंजवाना में। और एक नई शुरुआत जो है होगी, क्योंकि 1,000 करोड़ रुपया प्रदेश के कोष से देना एक बहुत बड़ा फैसला है।
Leader of opposition Jairam Thakur said in a statement that the state is going through a huge crisis of water supply. Water supply is affected in the entire state. The tourist season is going on, but people are getting troubled due to water shortage everywhere. Serious efforts are not being made by the government to deal with this crisis. Speaker Himachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly Kuldeep Singh Pathania was present as the chief guest today in the second cultural evening of International Summer Festival Shimla 2024. Today's main attraction was Qawwali and famous Prashva singer Saj Bhatt, who captivated the people with his performance. In the summer festival, artists of North Zone Cultural Centre Patiala are entertaining the people a lot every day in the form of Bharupia, Kachil Ghori, Vioscope and Puppet.